I can't get up.
잠깐만 잘 돌아.
Probably how
와, he's going to walk the bridge. 하러
No,
그러네.
it's not. I told you it's not. Just drinking water.
好大只。
Of course they're big. It's the same size as we saw.
It's the same bed you saw last time.
How did they trap in here?
佢哋 raise 佢 here 㗎。
Really?
Yeah.
They're small to big. How come before we walked there we saw nothing? Now there's a birdie and one.
The fastest animal on the planet.
I forgot the name.
cheetah.
No, it's
Fitness, teach him persistence, endurance.
butterfly.
Right now, he will stop for periods of time. He will face map towards the sun. I actually think right now the choice why he landed on that tower instead of that one is I am staring directly at the sun. He knows that if I sit here swinging, looking at the sun, I will get a lot more tired quickly, and it will be way easier for him to catch this. So he's quite the clever bird. Once he gets going more, he's going to fly behind the audience, doing a part of what he's doing. He's into a fast mirror perspective. You should see it from mine.
Looks like
Hit us. Oh, it's gonna dive at us.
Alright, you guys think you can catch this thing? Up! Oh, almost! It's wounded! There we go, and he's caught his dinner. Thank you, he definitely deserves a round of applause. Now, it's kind of hard to see from your guys' angle, but he is panting a little bit. I am also definitely. Birds don't sweat, so in order to cool himself down, much like your dog or cat at home, these birds do pant. While I'm letting him finish off his treat, we'll talk a little bit more about falcons here. Circles around me. Oh, buddy. He wants to do round two. All right. Sometimes he gets a little bit naughtier in the evenings. He is a silly boy. All right. We're doing round two. Surprise encore.
Coming now.
All right, we'll make this one nice and easy.
Oh.
There we go. We got it that time. Good job, buddy. Here, come get your tasty treat. Twist of his head, he can break the neck of a duck or a pigeon instantly. This might sound really gruesome. He might look like a tough little bird, but falcons like Solo are actually incredibly fragile. If he was to wrestle on the ground with a heavier animal, he could break a toe, his talon, his wing, or even the light broken feather on these guys can mean death. So he always wants to make sure he's the most efficient assassin that he can be. Now, Solo is the very last flight of our demonstration. What I'm going to do here once I wrap us up is I'm going to bring him up to the front of the audience. You can feel free to take any pictures you want to take, just no flash. Ask any questions you want to ask about him or any of the other birds you saw this evening, or to feel free to come over and say hi. I hope everybody enjoyed this presentation. If you're ever on Vancouver Island in the town of Duncan, about an hour north of Victoria,
Would you?